So this is not a snow update. This is my predictions, my dad's predictions, and my grandpa's predictions. So my predictions is that we were supposed to get 3 inches of snow, and then National Weather Service said that. So then a different thing my dad said like 6 to 12 inches. So me and my grandpa thought that there was going to be 8 inches. My dad thought that it was going to still be 6 inches. But I changed my thing to 7. So now we don't know what we're doing. I'll give you an update tomorrow because we have this thing in the backyard where we can check it. And by the way, I just really wanted to do this. So bye bye guys. Hope you Bye bye guys. Bye bye guys. We are updating for snow update 3.